Scheduling team check-ins without clutter can seem like a challenge, especially when you're juggling multiple tools and calendars. But today, I'm going to show you how to streamline your process and make scheduling these check-ins quick and efficient. First off, we're all guilty of trying to use too many apps and tools at once, leading to confusion and clutter. You've probably tried syncing calendars, sending endless emails, and relying on spreadsheets. But trust me, that just leads to chaos. What you really need is a focused approach that minimizes distractions and keeps your team on track. To start, you want a single integrated tool for scheduling that doesn't bombard you with unnecessary options. The software we'll be using today has a clean, easy to navigate interface, which means you can create and manage your check-ins all in one place. Gone are the days of jumping between platforms and losing track of details. Now let's get into the specifics. The first thing you need to do is set clear guidelines on when and how often you want to check in with your team. If you have a weekly meeting, make it a recurring event in your software. That way, everyone knows when to expect the next check-in, and you won't waste time rescheduling. You'll also want to take advantage of automation. Instead of manually sending reminders, your software can send them for you. Set it up once, and the tool will send automatic reminders to your team ahead of the check-in. This not only cuts down on time, but ensures your meetings are always on everyone's radar. Another key feature to leverage is the ability to set agendas and topics ahead of time. With this software, you can create preset agendas for your check-ins, which will help your team stay on track during the meeting. You can even assign items to specific people so they're clear on their responsibilities. This avoids the usual disorganized check-ins where everyone's scrambling for the next thing to discuss. And if you need to reschedule, it's super easy. The tool lets you propose new times and automatically updates everyone's calendar. No more back and forth emails or confusion about time zones. Let's talk about the software we're using. I've tested several options, and this one stands out for its simplicity and ability to integrate all the features you need for efficient check-ins. It's not bogged down with extra features that you'll never use. It's focused on helping you manage your check-ins without the clutter. You can get an exclusive free trial of this software by clicking the link in the description below, just for viewers of this channel. You'll be able to follow along step by step with exactly what I'm showing you. Now, the key takeaway from this video: scheduling team check-ins doesn't have to be complicated. By using the right tool, setting clear expectations, and automating reminders, you can eliminate clutter and make your check-ins more productive. To quickly recap: 1. Use a single, focused scheduling tool. 2. Set up recurring meetings and automate reminders. 3. Preset agendas and assign items ahead of time. 4. Reschedule with ease using the software's built-in tools. Don't forget to take advantage of that exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.